My video will help you to remove the adware called ExpandedSample. ExpandedSample is a new adware from the adload family. This adware called ExpandedSample, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements. These ads are not related to the sites that you visit. If this ExpandedSample was found on your computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware as soon as possible. So if this ExpandedSample was found on your computer, you need to get rid of it. Right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and start researching the system with its help in order to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.